Assalamualaikum. How's it going, guys? Today, the part one of this video is going to be how you make your work outsourced to Pakistan by paying £1. £1 only an hour. How's going to be your work? How's going to be your work done by your agents working in Pakistan? You know how you outsource it to some company or some agent by paying them £1 an hour. How he's going to tackle your calls? How's going to tackle your customers, basically. So the whole information of the call center industry, you will find it in this video. Yeah.
A few moments later.
When you are paying us £1, how we will work with you, sir? Sir, we are very nice agents. See how you work. Hello, taxis. Sorry, sir. I am from. Sorry, what you say, sir? Okay, no problem, sir. I will send you taxi, but it will take 2 days. Sorry, 2 minutes. He hung up. Oh, my cab is here. One minute.
A few moments later.
When you pay £2, sir, two, sir, then how we control for you, sir? See. Hello, sir, taxis. How can I destroy you? Sorry, assist you, sir. Where from, sir? Or a Pinkerton station. Great. What is your name, sir? Raman? Oh, sorry, Raymond. Raymond. Sorry, sir. Okay. Sorry, what is your name, sir? Jagandar. Sorry, Jagandar, you said? Jax. Oh, sorry, Jackson. Sorry, sir, because I am from India. Oh, sorry, I'm from UK, sir. That's the reason, sir. Sorry about that, sir. Okay, where are you going to, sir? Sorry, which hotel, sir? Chaval party? Oh, travel lodge, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, I'm from Bombay. Oh, sorry, sir. I'm from Overhampton, sir. UK, sir. UK. Yes, sir. Yeah. Sir, what is your name, sir? Scooter? Oh, sorry, Scott. Sorry. My bad, sir. Problem. Sorry, sir. Okay, sir. Taxi is going to be maybe 1 second or maybe 10 days, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir. Yeah. Okay. And guys, what about the best part of this video is when you pay £4 an hour, what happens with you? Basically, nothing happens with you. When you pay £4 an hour, not inside UK, obviously, the minimum wages in UK is almost around £9 an hour. But when you pay £4 an hour to Pakistan, what happens with you? Basically, some positive things. Yeah, you can face positive things by paying £4 an hour. Your work goes in a safe hands. Your work goes, your account customers, your account companies. Obviously, they are safe. They are in a safe hands. Obviously, you're paying good amount of money so that they or he or she should work. Like obviously, if they are getting £4 an hour, they should work very fine. They should work very professionally. They should be capable of using the whole softwares such as IKB, such as AutoCAD Ghost, and such as Coding, Data Master, InfoCam, and I need to take call. Bear with me, please. Yes, hello, Mr. Rahman, brother. All right, great. Yeah, you can charge our waiting time, which is going to be 40p per minute. Yeah. Great. You can charge. She's giving you, yeah, £4. I'm gonna make your journey by 16 quid. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Cheers. Have a good day. Bye bye. So obviously we are controlling here. We are not only operating but controlling as well. He was asking about the waiting time charges, which is 40p. Obviously, it's in London. So I'm going to show you how we take calls as well. Yeah, see you. No. Thank you for calling Speedy Cars. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. You know, call a taxi, please.
Sure, where from, please?
Cotton Crescent Family Shopper.
Great. Commandine Crescent Family Shopper. Where would you like to go to?
Yes. Number 9 Burwish Court, Rookery Gardens.
Great. Number 9 Burwish Court. For what time, please?
As soon as possible, please.
That's going to be great. How many passengers, please?
Just myself.
Nice one. So I'm sending a taxi in about 5-10 minutes at the moment, yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
You have a great day. Thank you. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So that's how we take calls, £4 an hour. Yeah? Alright then, cheers. Thank you. As hard as he could, and still he could not earn enough to keep himself at peace. Wife lost became a day when he had nothing left but in peace. Never big enough to make one pair of shoes.